Wouldn't you love to have a 40-inch Sony television, a flat panel, very versatile, top-of-the-line television set for your home, your office, your dorm room, any place that you need to watch television on any time of the day? It could be yours for as little as $5. The Wimberley Ray of Hope is selling $5 lottery tickets, and the draw will be on October 27th at Hope Fest, which is going to take place at Lions Pavilion in Wimberley, Texas. That's a Sunday, begins at 1 o'clock, goes on till 4 or 5 o'clock. We're going to have live music, food, vendors, and it's all free admission. All you have to do is show up, and the drawing will be the last point in the evening, so please be there if you can, but you don't have to be present to be a winner. That's a $5 lottery ticket, or if you want to really be good, you can get $20 and get an extra lottery ticket free. So contact us by email or phone and get your tickets today. I'm Lucy Wiley, and I'm supporting the Wimberley Ray of Hope. Call me at 512-847-9838, and I'll get your tickets to you right away.